Today I plan on changing the plugs in loop-filled focus. Um, it's pretty easy, and I'm pretty sure anybody can do it as long as you have a 8mm wrench or a socket and a 5/8 spark plug wrench, or socket and ratchet. So if you're interested in that and saving some bucks rather than having the dealer do it, stick around. Alright, to remove the spark plug, you need to slide the red tab back towards you. If you push this down, it'll come off right towards you. Then you have an 8mm. Remove the 8mm screw that's holding the coil pack down. So once you get that loose, then you pull the coil pack straight up, and there you have it. That's how you remove a coil pack. Once you have the coil pack off in the 5/8 socket, spark plug socket that I used in my other video, I'll show it up here, maybe up here somewhere, a link to that video, and I'll link it below where you can get it. You just take the plug out, and that's how you do it. So I'm gonna take it out, and then you just repeat the process after you set the gap on the plug, which I'll show you how to do here in a minute. And there's the plug in all of its glory that I just took out. So I have, to get to my 35 thousandths gap, I have 18, 12, and 5. So that's 35 thousandths. So we're going to use that to see what the gap is. And here's the spark plug that I have out, and that's pretty damn close to what it is. It's pretty damn close. So hopefully my Autolite iridiums, that's what it is, not titanium, they're iridium. The plugs I'm going to use are the XP 5863s. So I'll put a link to these on Amazon. I think they're $8 or $9 a piece. So you know, and it's better for you to buy them and do it with the old 8mm and the 5/8 spark plug wrench and get her knocked out pretty quick, and you probably save God only knows how much. So let me check these, and then I'll show you how to put it back in and put the coil on plug back on, and we'll go from there. As I said previously, I'm going to post it right up here or over here, maybe over here, I'm not quite sure, but anyways, I'm going to post it to the link on the other video where I did gap the plugs, so you can see how that goes. I'm not going to show you that. I'm going to measure these gaps, and hopefully they are correct and I don't have to change them. Well, luckily the first plug that I grabbed out was gapped exactly at 35 thousandths, so we're good to go. So they had Ford plugs. These are original plugs. Here's my brand new Autolite, and they seem to be about the same size. So here we go. We're going to put it back in. So what I like to do is put it into my socket, which is magnetized, which makes it easier to do this. Put it down in the hole. It's gapped, and then we're going to tighten that sucker up. I'm going to finger tight. And I'm probably sure there's probably some what do you call that, a torque spec? I don't know what it is, and I'm not going to go look it up because I had enough problems trying to find the gap for the spark plug, since it's a salvage car and it didn't come with the owner's manual. So there we go, and there we go, it's tight. And I turn it about another 1/8, bring it out of there, and the coil goes back in the hole. And there's only one way, since you got the mounting bolt, and push it down in there, make sure it gets seated. And I think seat it, and then take your 8mm and tighten the bolt back up. Get that sucker tightened up. And then once you do that, tighten it down. And repeat. Put that back on, slide the red, and there you're done. So I got 3 more to do. You saw how quick that was. Imagine how much quicker you could do it if you weren't talking and trying to show stuff. So thanks for watching. Hopefully that helps you save a couple bucks. Easy 5/8 and an 8mm, and you're good to go. So if you have any questions, put them in the comments below. And again, thank you for watching, subscribing, liking, commenting. I appreciate all of it, and I'm hopefully helping a couple people. Thank you, and have a great day.